One day, all the early mornings, the late nights, the struggles, the pain, the sacrifices, the effort, the perseverance, the consistency will all be worth it. Keep going.
Storm. Storm.
Over 106 today feeling, so try to do what we can. It's like 10 a.m. Gonna hurry up and go around a little bit, and that's gonna be it. Looking much better. This fender seems to be a little bit kinked, but try to keep original parts, and if I can do something about it, I will. They call this rim a... They needed to replace this rim, but it's just some scratches. Probably get away with that. The Cub looks good. Really don't see much. Body's clean, original. Hey, what's up? Sweating like crazy already. They had stole the seat inserts, but I had an extra set for the 991. Just kind of threw it in there so I can get in and out. Seat belts are locked up, so I'm gonna have to replace it with the stock ones that were black. And from there, I'm gonna try to get these rebuilt eventually. But there's still little pieces of debris and trees and stuff stuck all in the wheels. That one might need to be redone as well. They caused all this damage from a forklift. I'm gonna take that bumper off and see what's going on under there, because it's definitely buckled. There's some beautiful wheels you could see. Still debris, tree debris in there. Should be able to get it out. Gonna figure out how to source an airbag. Might need some associated modules. This one doesn't seem to be too locked up, but